Hello, this is Mr. Question Mark, and today I'm going to show you how to build my 12th edition Lego puzzle box. It's also my third world's smallest puzzle box. It's very small. So, let's see. You start out with either a corner plate or what I used is a 1x2 plate and a 1x1 plate. And you also need a 1x1 brick. You can set that to the side for now. And attach these two with a 1x2 plate, like that. And then you get a 1x2 tile. That's going to be your treasure. Put it there. And then put a 1x1 plate there. And a 1x2 tile there. And then put a 2x2 tile on the top. And then build that underneath. And you're done. And you're allowed to break one thing off. Good luck figuring it out.